Hello everyone, I welcome you all to ATM Creations and I welcome you all to this Mandala meditation series too. Today's meditation opens you to your higher self. As this mandala unfolds, there is nothing to search for, nothing to become, only a gentle reunion with the truth that has always lived within you. Sit comfortably and allow your body to be supported, and let your breath flow naturally. Close your eyes gently or keep them softly resting on the mandala. Begin by noticing the breath, not changing it, simply witnessing it. Breath comes, breath goes. Now bring your awareness to the top of your head. Do not strain to feel anything. Just notice the space there. Now imagine a radiant, gentle light descending from above, not rushing, not forcing, just arriving. At the same time, imagine another light rising slowly from your heart center, warm, steady, and familiar. These two lights move toward each other with perfect timing and perfect intelligence, and they meet at the crown of your head. There is no explosion, no drama, only a soft recognition. Something inside you says, "Yes, this is me." You feel alignment as if the scattered pieces gently return home. You feel recognition as if you remember yourself. You feel the truth not as an idea but as a quiet certainty. Rest here for a moment. Your higher self does not speak loudly. It does not instruct. It does not demand. It whispers in stillness. As the mandala unfolds, dot by dot, stroke by stroke, allow yourself to listen, not with your ears, not with your mind, but with your whole being. Listening feels like soft attention. Listening feels like openness. Listening also feels like a complete trust. You may notice sensations or emotions or nothing at all. All of it is perfect. Now imagine that light at your crown gently flowing downward through your mind, through your body, through every cell. This is not energy you are receiving, it is energy you are remembering. Your higher self has always been there. Now imagine standing in a vast open space. No walls, no ceiling, no edges. Before you stands a presence not separate from you, yet distinct enough to recognize. This is your higher self. They look at you with a deep familiarity. There is no judgment, no urgency, only calm understanding. They do not tell you what to do, they simply remind you who you are. You feel known. You feel seen beyond personality. You feel safe beyond explanation. Now imagine stepping closer and gently merging with this presence. There is no boundary, no separation. Your mind aligns with soul. You are no longer seeking guidance. You are being guided from within. As the mandala continues to form, allow this alignment to stabilize, not as a peak experience, but as a quiet foundation. Your decisions feel clearer, your directions feel steadier, your trust feels deeper. There is nothing to force, nothing to control. You're supported by something wiser than thought. Now rest here. Breathing happens. Awareness remains. Awareness remains. If questions arise, hold them gently in the space. Answers may come as feelings. You are guided, you are known, you are remembered. Remain here as long as you wish, in silent alignment, in quiet truth, and in divine connection. I'm going to give you few affirmations. You can either repeat them out loud or repeat them mentally. I am guided by my higher self. I am guided by my higher self. Divine wisdom lives within me. Divine wisdom lives within me. I trust the guidance that arises from within. I trust the guidance that arises from within. I align my soul's truth. I align my soul's truth. I am divinely supported at all times. I am divinely supported by all times. Begin to notice your breath again. As you notice, you realize your breath comes in and it goes out. It's divinely in sync. Notice your body, which is held within awareness. When you're ready, you share in the comments. Your words may help another soul trust their inner guidance.